హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, మీరందరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ఐ హోప్ సెషన్స్ బాగా జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ ద ఎఫర్ట్ యూ పుట్ ఇన్ టాస్క్ 2. You maintained attendance well, encouraged participation, and supported children. Great job. In task 2, our children observed, thought deeply, and shared their ideas through posters. They started understanding the issue around them. Observation అయింది. ఇప్పుడు next step, expressions. So now, let us move to task 3, drama creation. What is task 3? Task 3 is a structured 6-day journey. Idi one-day activity kaadu. It is a step-by-step learning process. In the 6 days, children move from reading to thinking to performing and to analyzing to creating and finally reflecting. This journey helps them grow with clarity and confidence. So what is task 3 really about? In task 2, children express through posters. In task 3, expression becomes deeper and more active. Now, they will step into the story. They will speak as characters. They will express emotions. They will think about the problems and the solutions. The stories are given at the back of the YLC book. Note it down. These stories are connected to important themes like responsibility, empathy, equality, teamwork, leadership, and social awareness. Through these stories, children do not just learn values, they experience them. So the purpose is simple. We are building confidence in speaking, we are building critical thinking, we are building teamwork, we are building empathy and leadership. Poster lo message chupincharu, drama lo message ni jeevistunaru. Now just quickly let us understand the flow of task 3. Day 1 and day 2 focus on understanding the story deeply. Day 3 focus on performing the original story. And day 4 focuses on analyzing the problem and creating a new situation and solution for the problem. Day 5 focuses on performing the new story which was created by you. Day 6 focuses on reflection and learning. Now let us understand each day clearly. Day 1, reading and question creation. On day 1, children will be divided into new groups and each group will receive one story from the back of the YLC book. They will read the story carefully and try to understand it clearly. After reading, each group will create maximum 30 to 32 questions based on the story. As a volunteer, మీ రోల్ ఏంటి అంటే you should ensure that every child is participating in reading and you should encourage them. You should guide them to frame why and how questions. WH questions తెలుసు కదా. Give them time to think independently before giving guidance. Day 2 is question structuring. On day 2, children will organize the questions they created. వాళ్ళు ఏదైతే questions ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళు దాన్ని WH questions ఉంటాయి కదా, who, why, how, what, ఇవన్నిట్లో ఆర్గనైజ్ చేస్తారు. ఒకవేళ క్వశ్చన్ వాట్ తోని స్టార్ట్ అయితే they will organize that question in the what category. Okay, if it is starting with how, they will organize it in the how category. Day 3 is first drama preparation. On day 3, children will convert the original story into a drama. They will choose roles, create dialogues, and practice voice clarity and expressions. After preparation, they perform in front of others. This builds confidence and communication skills and also teamwork. As a volunteer, encourage all of them to take part actively and appreciate teamwork and cooperation. Day 4 is problem analysis and new story creation. On day 4, children will identify the main problem in the story. Well, ఆ స్టోరీలో నుంచి ఏదైతే మెయిన్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది దాన్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తున్నారు. They will discuss what the problem is, why it happened, and who is affected. After understanding the issue clearly, they will create a situation using the same character to solve the problem. This builds creativity, empathy, and social awareness. As a volunteer, you need to encourage everyone to share ideas, promote respectful listening in the group, guide them to connect the story with real life situation, and support smooth collaboration. Day 5 is new drama performance. On day 5, children will perform the new story they created. As they discuss, they will bring a solution to the problem in the previous story, right? This time, they will present with more clarity and confidence. This shows their growth and leadership. As volunteers, you need to recognize their improvement and provide positive feedback. Encourage clear message delivery and celebrate their effort. Day 6, the last day of Task 3, Reflection Circle. On day 6, we will conduct a reflection circle. Children will share what they did, how they felt, what they learned, and what they discovered about themselves in the team. This helps build self-awareness and confidence, and it also improves collaboration. As a volunteer, you need to create a safe and a comfortable space. Ensure that every child gets a chance to speak. You can also share your reflection and encourage openness. Listen with full attention. So, this is task 3, a complete 6-day journey. In task 2, children observed and shared. In task 3, they step into a new story, express themselves, and experience learning in a deeper way. Through this journey, we are not conducting an activity, we are building voice, confidence, and teamwork, and also leadership. Mana role chala important. If we guide them with patience and positive energy, they will truly grow. Let us implement this with clarity and full heart. Mana Super 15 ni confident, expressive young leaders na tayar chedam. To all the boss fellows, thank you for being part of this journey. Yuva Chetana is looking forward to all your meaningful sharings. All the best. Jai Hind.